Cooking made easy.
What's up everybody, welcome to a quick and easy recipe. If you are new, please remember to subscribe, and if you already subscribed, welcome back. Today we are making a quick and easy recipe, guys. That might be the quickest recipe I ever posted on this channel. So we are making some spaghetti with meat sauce with ground beef. So for the ground beef, I seasoned the ground beef with our organic meat seasoning. I just added 3 tablespoons in there. You can always adjust the seasoning to your liking. Me, I'm not a heavy salt user, so this amount is perfectly fine for me. And when you are cooking your spaghetti, make sure you follow the direction that is on the box. This recipe is very easy. I just chop up some onion and bell pepper, and when I'm making the sauce, I just added the bell pepper and I added the tomato sauce. You can use whatever tomato sauce you want or whatever pasta sauce you want. It's very simple. You don't need to add any more salt, any ground pepper. It's already good as it is. The seasoning already has everything in there, and I just add my tomato sauce and let it simmer, guys, for 5 to 10 minutes, and then serve. Guys, we are relaunching in June 1st at 12 p.m. Eastern time. If you want to subscribe to our newsletter, you can do that so you can remain updated. And thank you guys so much for watching. This is the final result, and trust me, you follow this recipe, your family will love this. They will lick the plate, trust me. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.